Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before we get into the review, I've linked this iPhone below at a great price. Check that out first if you want to grab one. Today we're looking at the iPhone 15 Pro Max, this time as a renewed unit, so you get one of Apple's best phones without paying full new price. This phone has a big 6.7-inch screen that looks incredibly smooth and sharp, whether you're watching videos, playing games, or just scrolling through apps. It also has an always-on display, so you can glance at the time or notifications without even picking up your phone. The body is made from titanium, giving it a strong, premium feel while still being comfortable to hold, and it has a nice textured matte glass back instead of the shiny glass you see on older phones. There's also a customizable action button on the side, letting you set up a quick shortcut to something you use often, like your camera or flashlight, without having to dig through menus. The camera system here is genuinely excellent, a 48-megapixel main camera plus ultra-wide and telephoto lenses, letting you zoom in up to 10 times optically while still getting a sharp, clear photo. It also does a really nice job with portrait shots, letting you adjust the focus and depth even after you've taken the picture. For safety, this phone can connect to satellites when you don't have cell signal, letting you send an emergency SOS or get roadside assistance even out in the middle of nowhere. It can also automatically detect if you've been in a car crash. Battery life is strong too, with up to 29 hours of video playback on a full charge, and it charges through USB-C, which also supports much faster file transfers than older iPhones. This particular listing is the 256GB version in blue titanium, fully unlocked so it works with basically any carrier you want to use. Overall, if you want a genuinely powerful iPhone with an amazing camera, a premium titanium build, and real safety features, without paying full price for a brand new one, this renewed iPhone 15 Pro Max is a smart choice. I'll leave the link to this phone in the description below if you want to check the current price. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.